So friend, now I'm going to configure the vSmart and 1 and vSmart 2 of our SD-WAN Lab. So just bring this vSmart up now. This one also, and wait till that message system is ready, because of once you will be get that, then only you can do the or start your work and configuration. Yeah, you can see now system is ready. So come admin, asking to reset the password, so I done that. Now keys, we are just going to change only the system host name, and we'll do the system configuration later after copy the certificate. So as I did in previous video in vBond, for the vBond. So come to the transport VPN interface 0, interface with 0. No set tunnel interface, allow service all, allow service SSHD, allow service netconf, allow service ICMP, and encapsulation I think not tech, yeah, because of it's not required here in vSmart. So now define the DNS, that is default route, come to the management VPN 512 interface ETH1, right? You can see ETH1 IP DHCP client, no shut. So commit and quit. Now we'll do the testing. First of all, check the gateway. Yeah, that is fine. Check server, that is also fine. vManage, yeah, that is fine. Check the internet reachability. What happened? Why it's not happening? That will be unreachable. Why? Just a minute. So interface description tab. Okay, no issue. Meanwhile, currently it's not required to reach the internet, because of currently I'm going to copy the certificate from server and then do. So I will just check. I will check it later. Not required currently. Might be because of it's a simulator, so sometimes the image is going to hang more, so that's why also it's happening. So not the required of any routing check, because of all things are done previously. So just copy the certificate, just go to vCell and use the same tftp command for copy the certificate. You can see now. Yeah. Yes, request root search and install, and then the certificate address and the name. Yeah, that is fine. Come to the GUI of vManage. Now we can do one thing. We can do the system configuration here, because of certificate copy has been done and installed, also successfully installed. You can see the message here. So root certificate done, conf t system. Now define the system IP, that is 110.1.1.13. Site ID is 100. Organization name is NGTL, NextGen TechLab. Host name already defined. vBond also you have to define 10.110.1.12. Okay, and the clock time zone, that is Asia, Calcutta. Now commit. So the thing is done now. System configuration also here done. Now come to the vManage. So no vSmart is there currently, you can see. Now go to the device, controller, add controller. Now this time we are going to add the vSmart. So we'll choose the vSmart. Now it will define the vSmart IP address, that is 10.110.1.13. Now username is admin and the password of vSmart. Now vSmart is added. Come to the certificate, controller, vSmart. Just copy the certificate, view CSR, copy, paste here. Now we'll validate this certificate from CS server through this command. Come to CS server, paste the certificate, you can see generated certificate. Now copy it, go to GUI, close, install certificate. First of all select them, then it's already selected, you can see it highlighted with the yellow. So just install certificate, paste, install. Yeah, now verify it. Controller vSmart installed, certificate is installed. You can see, come to the main dashboard. Yeah, your one vSmart is already came up now. So my vSmart 1 is configuration is done. Now we'll do the vSmart 2 configuration. Meanwhile just come here and verify this. Yeah, everything is done. Okay, come to the vSmart 2 CLI. Quantity system just change the host name v 2. Come to the interface VPN 0 interface IP address 10.110.1.14/24. Tunnel interface allow service all, allow service netconf, allow service SSHD, allow service ICMP, ICMP. Come to DNS. Come to the management VPN 512 interface with 1, you can say it 1 IP DHCP client, no shut. Good. Yeah, so it's done now. Now copy the certificate from CS server, same TFTP, through the TFTP, copy it. It's already copied. Come to outside of vCell mode, install. Certificate is installed now. Now come to the GUI. Okay, do one thing, just configure the system configuration also now, because of certificate is done. System IP 101.14, site ID 100, vBond, organization name NextGen TechLab NGTL, clock time zone, Calcutta, commit. Yeah, done. Now come to the vManage devices controller, add controller, because I'm going to add the secondary vSmart. That IP is 1314. Admin is the username and password is also I set admin. Now come to the certificate controller vSmart, just copy the CSR, paste here, validate the certificate from the CS server. Now give the certificate, copy, paste. Yeah, you got the generated certificate, copy very carefully, because of if you will be miss the anything, it will be fail. So just copy it very, very carefully. Now come to the GUI, close it, install certificate, select them and install. Currently you can see no certificate installed. Install, copy and paste here and install. Just wait. So your certificate is done. You can validate it. Come to device controller. Yeah, you can see all the certificate installed. vSmart 2 is also okay. Now certificate, you can see vSmart 1, vSmart 2, everything is fine, all are in sync. We can do one thing, just send to vBond, because of vBond should have the information about the all the device, so that's why we are just using it. Now the find certificate controller, yeah, done. Now come to the main dashboard and validate. Yes, your two vSmart is up, one vBond is up, vManage is up. You can see both vSmart and V1 and 2. You can see. So this one was the process how to onboard the vSmart, and now in previous video I already show you or the vBond, vManage, everything. So now from next video I will start the branch configuration, and then we'll do the template and the policy. So first of all, from next video we'll start the branch configuration. Okay, so fine. Thanks for watching.